For this lesson, you'll be learning how to use a transform block. Specifically, we will be using the ramp function, which essentially slows down something's output. Let's try a program to see how this works. Add a generator block to your program. On the drop-down menu, select square and change the period to be 5 seconds. If you click the graph button in the bottom left corner, you will see exactly what's happening here. Next, let's put in a demo output block. Select gripper on the drop-down menu and try connecting these two blocks. What do you see happening with these two blocks being connected? Now, let's try this out with our ramp function. Drag in a transform block. On the drop-down menu, make sure to select ramp. You can see what's happening with the numbers if you click the graph on the bottom left corner. Connect your generator to the ramp and the ramp to the gripper. Notice how the numbers in the generator influence the numbers in the ramp. Specifically, the numbers in the ramp are a slower output of what's going on in the square. This leads to better control of our gripper.